Hey everyone, Mrs. Klein here. We are going to do the questions today for the tiny animals can be helpers. We talked about how the tick harms you and the bumblebee helps you. Ticks can bite you and it can make you sick. And the bumblebee, it goes around and helps pollinate flowers because it the pollen from the flowers gets on the bumblebees, and then it goes around and the pollen is shared from one flower to the other, which really helps them grow and keeps the flowers beautiful and keeps things going. So anyway, we are going to move on to the questions. Let me pull them up here. So question number 1 says, what tiny animal mentioned in this text can make people sick? A ladybug, B, a bumblebee, C, a tick. Number 2, the text describes how some tiny animals can help people. What are the 2 tiny animal helpers described in this text? A, ladybugs and bumblebees, B, flies and spiders, or C, ticks and mosquitoes. Number 3, ladybugs eat bugs that harm plants. What does this tell us about how ladybugs help plants grow? A, ladybugs help plants grow by protecting them from harm. B, ladybugs help plants grow by watering them when plants are thirsty. Or C, ladybugs help plants grow by feeding them food. So they eat the bugs that are going to hurt the plant. So what are they doing? Number 4, what is tiny animals can be helpers mostly about? A, how ladybugs and bumblebees help people. B, how ticks hurt people. Or C, how pollen is carried from flower to flower. All right, and then this is the writing part that we're going to do together. What do we call the dust that bumblebees carry on their bodies as they fly from flower to flower? And they already started this again. They are giving you guys too much. They're already restating it. How would we restate this? Let's think. Okay, so we could say the dust that the bumblebees carry on their bodies as they fly from flower to flower is called, and then we have to write down what it's called. Now, if we look back in our passage, we know it is called what? Pollen. Good, because that's why it's called. They pollinate the flowers. It's pollen. So what I'm going to do is switch over and help you guys get that sentence written. I want you guys to write a complete sentence. Even though they started to restate it, I want you guys to push yourselves and get this done and actually write it, okay? So let me get the text box here. There it is. Mrs. Klein is getting better at this, guys. We are moving along here. I'm going to be a professional at this by the time I'm done. Okay, so the dust bumblebees carry on their bodies as they fly from flower to flower is called pollen. There you go, guys. That's your answer. I hope that you guys enjoyed learning about the bumblebees and how they are helpers. And I look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Let me know if you guys want a different background request for our fun little backgrounds that we have. I really like this butterfly though, it's so pretty. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. I miss you all so much. Have a good day. Bye.